Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, That Miracle Rasmita. And in today's demo, I'm gonna review you some Aroma Magic products that I have been using from such a long period of a time. So here these are. Bottles are already empty. So here I'm gonna review all these products and about everything like packaging, what it claims, and how it works or not, everything. Without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Juniper Berry Oil Free Moisturizer. So here you can see all this. This bottle is already empty. ये मैं 3 साल से यूज़ कर रही हूँ, सो आई एम इन लव विद दिस मॉइस्चराइज़र एंड दिस इज़ अ वाटर बेस्ड मॉइस्चराइज़र. तो ये जब भी आप मॉइस्चराइज़र ये लगाओगे तो ये आपके स्किन को बिल्कुल भी ऑयली नहीं करता. इट्स गेट्स इजीली absorb into the skin. So let's discuss about the packaging of this. You will get the pump packaging like this. And छोटा size ये travel friendly है and it is leakage proof as well. Okay. So you will get a cap and the pump like a period of a time. So मैंने ये बहुत सारे वेबसाइट से परचेस किया था. तो लाइक आई हैव परचेज फ्रॉम फ्लिपकार्ट पर मतलब अगर आप अमेज़ोन या फ्लिपकार्ट से परचेज़ कर रहे हो तो इसकी ये मॉइस्चराइज़र की कंसिस्टेंसी थोड़ी वाटरी लगेगी. अगर इफ़ यू आर बाइंग इट फ्रॉम द अरोमा मैजिक वेबसाइट इटसेल्फ देन इसकी कंसिस्टेंसी थोड़ी जेल लाइक. इट गिव्स मैट फिनिश ऑन द स्किन एंड थ्री ऑयल कंट्रोल करने में थोड़ी बहुत हेल्प करता है आफ्टर 3 to 4 hours इफ़ यू आर हैविंग एन ऑयली स्किन लाइक माइन. सो ऑयल 3 to 4 hours के बाद ऑयल फिर से आ जाता है. इट इज़ अ रियली गुड मॉइस्चराइज़र इफ़ यू वांटेड टू इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर एन ऑयल फ्री मॉइस्चराइज़र देन दिस इज़ द बेस्ट ऑप्शन. माई स्किन इज़ ऑल्सो सेंसिटिव स्किन, so yes, it works really well for me. ये एरोमाजी के प्रोडक्ट आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर वन ऑफ द नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट विच विल सूट्स टू माई स्किन बिकॉज आफ्टर using so many creams and treatment after then acne treatment skin has become really sensitive to any of the product. Means जो कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट मैं यूज़ करती थी तो मेरी स्किन रेड हो जाती थी या फिर इजीली रिएक्ट कर देती थी. तो एट दैट टाइम आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर अ नेचुरल मॉइस्चराइजर दैट just moisturize my skin and doesn't give me any pimple or breakouts or red rashes. So this is the one of the product which has suited me so well, and yeah, I have been in love with this product from that time. Small bottle price, that is the 100 ml bottle, you will get it for 20 is for 205 rupees, and if you are purchasing for 200 ml, that is a big one, that is for 320 rupees. Okay, so if you wanted to try this moisturizer and if you have a oily skin then please give it a try. It is really good. Means it does moisturize your skin and it will use you it gives you a mattifying finish for your skin. And yeah, कोई भी पिंपल्स ब्रेकआउट्स मैंने तो अभी तक मतलब आई एम यूजिंग दिस फ्रॉम लास्ट 3 years और मुझे ऐसे कुछ लगा ही नहीं है, मतलब ऐसे ब्रेकआउट्स वगैरह तो हुआ नहीं है. सो दिस इज़ रियली गुड मॉइस्चराइजर. इफ़ यू वांट टू गिव इट अ ट्राई आई विल गिव दिस प्रोडक्ट लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो to check it out. This has SPF 15 but that is not enough to protect your skin from the sun rays, so I will suggest you to apply sunscreen using this moisturizer. Aroma Magic Orange Blossom Body Wash. अभी 5 to 6 बॉटल्स ऑलरेडी यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ और ये भी फिनिश हो गया है. और इसकी जो स्मेल है दैट इज़ ऑरेंजेस की जो स्मेल होती है ना वैसे स्मेल है. आई एम इन लव विद द स्मेल ऑफ दिस. पैकेजिंग इज़ ऑसम. मीन्स डबल लॉक पैकेजिंग है. दैट इज़ one of is this lock to remove this and the second one is this one. And इसकी consistency is also gel like consistency है and it will cost you 220 ml is for 205 rupees and it will last you for more than a month. 220 is for 205 rupees. मुझे तो ये अफोर्डेबल लगा. And what it claims: cleans, brightens and relaxes. Aromatherapy, body care and essential. And यहाँ इस बॉडी वॉश पे लिखा है 3 in 1. मीन्स यू कैन यूज़ दिस फॉर योर हेयर, फेस एंड बॉडी. सिर्फ एज अ बॉडी वॉश ही यूज़ किया है. So I never use it on hair or face, so I don't know about that. But yes, it is really good body wash. If you are looking for a affordable natural body wash, then you can give it a try for this Magic Neem Anti-Tree Face Wash. One is the Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Mint Cleanser. That is this one. Okay, so let's discuss. ये Neem and tea tree face wash है. It is made for acne control and oil balancing. The one who is having an oily skin, oily acne prone skin, they can give it a try for this face wash. Yeah, and as you can ये पूरा ख़त्म करती है और मुझे ये पसंद आया क्योंकि आफ्टर वॉशिंग योर फेस विद दिस फेस वॉश जो ड्राइनेस होती है ना वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होती. मीन्स इट डजेंट रिमूव योर नेचुरल ऑयल. Okay, and it does remove your little bit of makeup. Like if you are applying sunscreen, then it will help you to remove the sunscreen, but not the heavy makeup like foundations and concealer. If you are using foundation concealer, then you have to use the makeup remover first and then use this face wash. Tube packaging है with the flip cap, and its cost for 100 ml is for 170 rupees. Okay, and the expiry, it will give you the 3 years expiry. For all the products of Aroma Magic, it has almost 2 to 3 years of expiry. It has body wash, like we can say body wash, moisturizer or face wash. Face wash. This face wash has a small granules and it is white in color. Says deep cleanses and refreshes the skin. And see the consistency of this. It is like creamy consistent. It is like a creamy consistency, and it does have a really soft granules which will get. The smell is like a mint cleanser. Face wash का foam बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता. The cooling effect after washing with your face. Ingredient list मैं यहाँ पे दे दूँगी. Made for oily skin people. The Aroma Magic Vitamin C Lighting Gel with SPF 30. It's 100 gram, will cost you for 350 rupees. And expiry, it will give you for 3 years. We'll show you the packaging of this product. Is in red bright color, which is really attractive. This tube, it says for all skin type. It says that I'm 100% free of toxic ingredients, artificial fragrance and color, but it does has a little bit of fragrance of the fruity smell. It has the smell of fruits. Yes, and इसकी consistency भी gel like consistency. It is a vitamin C gel. It has a tube like packaging and bright red in color, which is really attractive. I'll show you the consistency of this vitamin C gel. से जो है वो जेल लाइक कंसिस्टेंसी है. Here you can see it. और ये it does have a strong fruity smell, but it will get disappear after 2 to 3 minutes. This lightening gel softens and protects the skin. It does softens your skin. For lightening gel, ऐसा नहीं है कि लगाते ही मतलब जितने भी स्कार्स है वो लाइट चले गए, गायब हो गए. नो, इट डजेंट वर्क फॉर existing acne marks or blemishes, but it does lightens the scar if you have any. But it does lightens the scar, but remove नहीं करता, just थोड़ा बहुत lighten किया था scars को. So that's it. If you wanted to give it a try to a vitamin C gel with SPF 30, then you if you are going out, then I will suggest you to apply the sunscreen over it because it does has only SPF 30. In this, there is no PA triple plus. 30 is not enough to protect your skin from sun rays. You have to apply a sunscreen over it if you are going out. If you are sitting at home only, then अगर आप घर पे ही बैठ रहे हैं, then you can use this vitamin C gel. Okay, अगर आप बाहर जा रहे हैं तो you have to apply sunscreen after you are applying this. If you want to buy one of these products, then I will give you the link in the description box below. Do check it out, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming new videos, and yeah, like this videos. I'll see you in my next video.